This is a short tutorial showing you how to administer your cards and card users using your Compac USB fuel management system. The first step is to insert the supplied USB key into your PC. The USB key should appear as a new drive on your PC, and the first step is to browse to the cards folder on that key. Administration of the cards for the fuel management system is completed through the cards CSV file, while card users, if you have them, are administered via the card users file. So let's start with the cards file. As you can see, as standard, the file comes with two columns: the card number column, which is of course the card number, and whether or not the card should be valid or not valid for the fuel management system. If I wish to add a new card, I can do that down here just by entering a new card number. And stating or not whether it should be valid. If I want to record a bit more information about the card, perhaps the vehicle registration number that it's associated with or a cost center, I can do that by adding custom columns. These need to begin with D underscore to enable the fuel management system to pick up on that. But then following that, you can put any title that you like. So let's try Rego. And let's say cost for cost center. I can then go ahead and fill these out. So here you can see I've completed the cards file with my two custom columns for Rego and cost center. The next step is to exit and save the file. Now, if your fuel management system is set up to prompt the drivers to input their user ID when they begin to take fuel, the administration of those users can be done through the card users file. So let's open that up. And you can see again, as standard, there are two columns. The first column is the user ID, which is a 4-digit number. This is the number that the driver will input into the fuel management system to identify themselves, and a valid column indicating whether that user should or should not be accepted. Again, if I want to add a new user, I can do that at the bottom just by inputting a new number and letting the system know whether that should be valid or not. As with the card file, if I want to track some additional information about the users, I can do that by adding a custom column. Again, this needs to begin with D underscore, and then I can use whatever name I like. So this time I'd like to track the employee's name, so let's just put that here. I can then go ahead and fill out the columns. So here you can see my completed card users file with a list of user IDs, whether it's valid or not, and then the name of the user for each of those user IDs. I can now exit and save this file, and the next step will be to sync the USB key with the fuel management system. Whether you have a Compac USB DCA connected to multiple pumps or hoses, or an all-in-one standalone Compac computer, the process to sync your cards and card users is the same. Simply insert the USB key into the USB port and use the arrow keys to scroll through to Send Cards on the display. Press the tick key to confirm your selection and wait until the display tells you that it's safe to remove the USB key. Thank you for watching this presentation. Remember to contact our help desk via email or our 1-800 number if you have any issues with your Compac system.